Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce a building block remote control toy. This is our off-road toy. This can be controlled using a remote and smartphone. This is a highly restored toy and tires are made from rubber. This toy has a cargo on rear shelf. Also doors can be opened. This item has exquisite pad printing and exquisite interior. These are the additional top wing and rope hook. These are the front bridge, rear bridge and supporter. This item has made using ABS material and rubber. This is the inside of this car. Tiers can be rotate. This toy has a 2.4G all-round remote control power. This is the dimension of this toy. So isn't this a attractive toy and best gift item for your kids? Finally, thank you for watching. Also do not forget to subscribe our channel.